Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss about prepositions of place. Away from the box. Away from the box. Towards the box. Towards the box. Through the box. Through the box. Through the hole. Through the hole. Up the stairs. Up the stairs. Down the stairs. Down the stairs. Out of the box. Out of the box. Into the box. Into the box. Along the road. Along the road. Across the road. Across the road. On the box. In the box. The ball is on the box. The ball is in the box. The ball is above the box. The ball is above the box. The ball is below the box. The ball is below the box. The ball is on the box. The ball is on the box. The ball is under the box. The ball is under the box. The ball is beside the box. The ball is beside the box. The ball is in the box. The ball is in the box. The ball is in front of the box. In front of the box. The ball is behind the box. Behind the box. The ball is between the boxes. Between the boxes. The ball is among the boxes. Among the boxes. The ball is near the box. The ball is near the box. The ball is far from the box. The ball is far from the box. The ball is onto the box. The ball is onto the box. The ball is off the box. The ball is off the box. The ball is under the box. The ball is under the box. The ball is over the box. The ball is over the box. Hope you liked this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.